Hi there, this is Jerry from StatNote. Thank you for purchasing your StatNote Ninja Stick. Today we're going to learn how to use StatNote phrases on PhraseExpress Portable Edition. So please go ahead and connect your Ninja Stick to your computer. Open the PhraseExpress folder and then double-click on the PhraseExpress file. What's great about this solution is that even if you don't have admin rights to your computer, you can still use it. And it works in any Windows computer and with any EHR. This is a reminder to exit PhraseExpress before you remove your USB stick to avoid any data loss. Go ahead and click OK. Click on the notification that appears at the bottom of your screen on the right corner. This will begin the installation. Go ahead and click Next throughout the installation wizard. You only need to install PhraseExpress once. The next time you insert the USB on your computer, you should only need to open the PhraseExpress app like we did a few seconds ago. So this finishes the installation process, and now you should be able to use PhraseExpress. Now you need to load your StatNote phrases. To do that, click on File, then Open, and select Local Phrase File. This will pop open the File Explorer. Go ahead and select your USB drive from the menu on the left side. Now select the StatNote Pro PXI file. Click OK to open as an additional phrase file. And that's it. Now you have all your StatNote phrases in PhraseExpress and you can start using them. Let's do a little demo on our notepad and write a SOAP note. PhraseExpress can detect when you type a snippet of text or dot phrase in your EHR and automatically replace it with a sentence, paragraph, or even a full template. Funny thing, all of our dot phrases start with a comma. This is to avoid triggering other dot phrases that you might already be using in your current EHR. Regardless, you can change this later if you want. In this example, we're using a dot phrase for acne to insert a template in each section of our SOAP note. Let's now try looking for a dot phrase for back pain. You first type comma, then type back, and you will see a list of dot phrases popping up from which you can select one that is more appropriate for your given scenario. In this case, let's select lower back pain. You can navigate the list with your keyboard arrows and then hit Tab to insert your dot phrase, or you can manually click on the dot phrase you want to use with your mouse. Okay, let's review another scenario. Let's say you install PhraseExpress today, and tomorrow you come back to the clinic and want to start using your dot phrases again. You don't have to go through all the installation process again. You just insert your USB stick, open the PhraseExpress app, and you're good to go. You might see this message reminding you to exit PhraseExpress before you remove your USB stick to avoid any loss of information. You can click this box so you don't see this message again. It is important to remind you that if you edit any of the dot phrases or create a new one, you should always save your work before you close the application. Now, let's review how to edit your dot phrases. In this scenario, I'm going to expand the diabetes dot phrase. And you can see it lists two medications, metformin and glipizide. But let's say you want to edit this dot phrase and get rid of glipizide. To do that, you need to open PhraseExpress, and we'll need to find this icon on the quick launch bar at the bottom right of your screen. Right-click on the icon and select Open Program Window. In the search bar, you can type DM to search for the diabetes dot phrase. Or you could open the endocrinology folder of the StatNote Pro phrase file and select the diabetes dot phrase that you want to edit. Now, you're able to modify the content of your dot phrase, so let's get rid of glipizide. Always make sure to save your edits. Now, let's get back to our sample SOAP note and see if our new edited dot phrase is working. And as you can see, now our diabetes template does not include the glipizide. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Thank you for buying your Ninja Stick, and I hope it saves you many hours of tedious typing. For any questions, contact us through email or at our website, statnote.com.